Hey everyone! Welcome back to Best Reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners and mops in 2025 that will make keeping your home spotless easier than ever. These smart cleaning machines are packed with the latest technology to save you time and effort, and I'll be walking you through the best options you can get this year. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to stay updated with all the latest reviews. And of course, if you're interested in any of the products featured, you can find all the links in the description box below. Kicking off our list is the iMartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a powerful 2-in-1 cleaning solution perfect for multi-surface homes. With 2,300 Pascal suction power and a 230 milliliter water tank, this robot effectively vacuums and mops in a single pass, removing dust, pet hair, pollen, and even paper scraps. Its Tuya Smart app integration lets you schedule cleanings, switch modes, and even control the robot's direction remotely, while voice assistant compatibility with Google Assistant takes hands-free control to the next level. Designed with pet owners in mind, the tangle-free brushless system ensures no more hair wrapping around rollers, saving you time on maintenance. Whether it's hardwood, tiles, or low-pile carpet, iMartine delivers a quiet, efficient, clean tailored to your lifestyle. At number 4, the iRobot Roomba Plus 405 is an all-in-one powerhouse designed to tackle every mess. With 70 times the suction power of the classic Roomba 600 series, plus dual clean mop pads, smart scrub technology, and multi-surface brushes, it devours everything from crumbs to stubborn paw prints. Its spinning mop pads provide 2 times deeper scrubbing pressure for tough stains, while advanced clear-view LiDAR mapping ensures precise navigation and smooth cleaning around obstacles. The real star here is the Auto Wash Dock, handling up to 75 days of auto-emptying, 4 weeks of mopping pad washing, continuous refreshing, and even drying. Paired with the intuitive Roomba Home app, you can customize routines, check filter health, and target the rooms that need extra care, making this model a perfect blend of convenience and cleaning power. Taking the third spot is the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20, built for true hands-free living. With an impressive 7,000 Pascal suction, a rolling brush and side brush, it pulls dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors with ease. Its all-in-one station takes care of everything: auto-emptying, mop washing, mop drying, and even transparent tanks so you can check water levels at a glance. The C20's Mop Master technology uses 180 rotations per minute and 6 N of downward pressure to scrub away tough stains, while dual sweeping and mopping modules work simultaneously for maximum efficiency. Standing at only 3.35 inches tall, this slim design effortlessly cleans under beds, couches, and other low-profile furniture where dust usually hides. If you want thorough cleaning without lifting a finger, the Omni C20 delivers. In second place, we have the revolutionary Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra, the world's first robot vacuum that can swap its own mop pads mid-cycle. Its innovative multi-mop switching dock lets it transition seamlessly between deep scrubbing, gentle sponge mopping, and everyday fiber cleaning, ensuring each room gets the perfect treatment. Add to that a staggering 30,000 Pascal suction power and Pro Leap wheels that easily climb thresholds, and you've got one of the most advanced cleaning robots ever built. Designed for premium performance and adaptability, the Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra is truly pushing the boundaries of smart home cleaning, making it a top choice for those who want cutting-edge technology and spotless floors with zero effort. Finally, at number 1, we have the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni, the ultimate flagship robot vacuum and mop designed for serious deep cleaning. With its advanced Osmo roller system, this machine scrubs floors at 220 RPM, with 16 times more pressure than standard models, rinsing in real time to ensure your mop stays fresh throughout the cycle. True Edge technology extends the roller mop right up to baseboards and corners, delivering streak-free results where most robots fail. Its powerful 18,000 Pascal suction lifts dirt, pet hair, and embedded debris from both carpets and hard floors, making it perfect for busy households. The T80's fully automated maintenance system handles self-emptying, hot air drying, and an anti-tangle brush for pet-friendly convenience. Offering professional-level cleaning at home, the DEEBOT T80 Omni stands as the best all-around robot vacuum and mop to buy in 2025.